Hello friends, this is Ramya. Today we'll see how to create your own scanner in this free version of charting. Okay. Here you'll have all the menus. So go below the screeners, click on the create scan. So you'll get a blank page like this. So this is what you have to do. Add this plus icon. You will get all the features here. So for example, first we'll see how to select breakout stocks. Okay, that means today's close should be higher than yesterday's close. So that will be the breakout, day breakout. So that will be the equation. So for that equation, we need to apply that in this filter area. I mean in this area. So let's see. First click on this, then go to close. So you will see all the attributes here. If you are going for breakout, you can use open, high, low and close and all. And if you want volume breakout, you can use volume. So whatever you want, you can use. Pivot point, everything is there. You can explore it. So for now we'll choose close, latest close. Then immediately this thing will pop up. You can click on it. Now you can see latest close is applied. After that, the second step would be to add the operation, that is should be greater than or above or equal to or whatever it is. We'll add the operation. So we want it to be greater than. Then again the third will automatically pop out. So we'll see number. The default one is latest close greater than number, but now we want it to be close only. So we'll click on it and click close. Okay, this equation is complete, but the latest close greater than latest close. Change it to yesterday. Yesterday means one day, and day before yesterday is 2 days ago. Like that you can see this. Similarly monthly. Okay, so now we are going to choose these are intraday. Okay, for 5 minute, 10 minute. In free version you can use above 5 minutes. Okay, 2 minute, 3 minute. This is useful for intraday. Okay, quick scalping and all those things. Now we'll go to one day ago. Okay, now you can either save the scan in your name, in your whatever name you want, or just run the scan. That's all. So you'll get all these things. Okay, so as you can see, these are the stocks. Like you have 452 stocks filtered in this criteria. Okay, so what we can do is, you see this section, click on this. So this is based on cash, that is all the stocks mentioned as cash. Okay, now we can filter it down to watch list or nifty 50 or nifty 100 or whatever. We'll just go with nifty 50. Okay, you can filter it, that is narrow it down to nifty 50 stocks only. So now run scan. Now you will get only 12 stocks. Okay, so we'll check here ICICI, Axis. Okay, we'll check first three stocks. So ICICI is given days low. Okay, breakout. And what else? ICICI, Axis, ONGC. So Axis. Okay, breakout has happened. And ONGC. Close has not yet happened, but still we can see. You can also put this as one day ago and see this one as 2 days ago, just to see the aftermarket hours thing. So ICICI and Axis again. Um, so 1 day ago close greater than 2 day ago close, right? Axis Bank 1 day ago close greater than 2 day ago close. Okay, if you want to filter out penny stocks, you can just put here latest close. Again here operation lesser than, we want it to be lesser than 50 or 10 or anything, so we'll put then less than, just leave it at that number only. So number you will have to enter 50 or 10. Okay, and run scan. Actually there is nothing here, so Nifty 50 doesn't contain all these things, so we'll put it in cash. So 49 stocks have been filtered, so these are the stocks which are below 10 rupees. You
and has given a
can see
breakup.
here. You can also sort it out by volume or sort it out by price, high to low, low to high. Similarly, change, links, symbol, stock name, everything. So you can do all these things. We'll see the other features in the upcoming videos.